This car doesn't start. But if we look at the transmission indicator, the park is not highlighted, even though it's in park. That's why it doesn't start. So what we try to do is, park indicator is highlighted now, and there we go.